Visualization is another important tool when learning to lucid dream. Like autosuggestion, visualization is the foundation of many popular lucid dream induction techniques. Visualization, simply defined, is the process of creating a visual image in one's mind. Take a moment and bring to mind your favorite dessert. How about a slice of warm apple pie? Imagine taking a bite of this delicious pie. You can feel the warm, flaky crust. You can smell the tart apples and sweet cinnamon. You can taste the warm, gooey combination on your tongue. Congratulations! You just visualized. I bet your mouth watered too. Scientific studies have shown that the brain does not differentiate between imagined and real experiences, which means that visualizing a desired outcome can't create the same neural pathways as actually experiencing it. When used with autosuggestion, you create a powerful goal, achieving combination to prime your brain to bring about your intended goal. In our case, increased dream recall and inducing lucid dreams. One study showed that participants' perception of painful stimuli at the forearm was reduced when imagining a glove covering the forearm. Another great example of the power of our minds. In another fascinating study, this one conducted at Harvard, basketball players were divided into 3 groups. The first group practiced shooting free throws for an hour each day. The second group didn't practice at all, and the third group spent an hour a day visualizing themselves making free throws. After 30 days, the group that visualized the shots had improved just as much as the group that physically practiced. Visualizing is simple as pie. The first step is to relax. Sit or lie in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep, mindful breaths. Now, imagine a scene that implies you have achieved your goal. See yourself, from your perspective, achieving your desired goal. The key is to really feel it. Use as much emotion as you can. Imagine how you would feel upon achieving your goal. Feel the satisfaction and joy of achieving your goal. Put yourself in this scene and use all your senses. Keep this imagined scene short and simple. It should take only 10 to 30 seconds. Repeat this simple scene with all the emotions involved until you feel your intention is set. This basic visualization practice can be used for any goals that you have. Let's use increasing your dream recall abilities as a goal for a visualization session. After you have sufficiently relaxed, visualize yourself waking up from a dream. Feel your soft blanket, your warm bed. Hear the sound of the fan in your room or the birds outside your window. Imagine reaching over and grabbing your dream journal. Feel the journal under your fingers as you flip through the pages. Smell the aroma of the fresh pages. Notice all the pages upon pages of detailed dreams in your journal. How does it feel to be able to remember so many amazing dream adventures? Feel the satisfaction as you click open your pen and begin to write the dream you just woke up from. Repeat this sequence until you feel positively about your dream recall abilities and until your intention is set. Try this exercise along with your autosuggestion session before bed. Throw in some positive affirmations as your visualization progresses. I find that the act of visualizing or meditating directly before bed, even if it is unrelated to lucid dreaming, greatly increases the vividness of my dream memories. Included with this course is a visualization MP3 that will guide you through a simple visualization. This will help improve your visualization skills. Use this before bed or during a daytime meditation session.